Welcome back, fellow organizers. This is the fourth video in a 5-video series that I'm doing on marketing your home organizing business. If you haven't watched the other videos yet, click on the link here or subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified when the next video is up. Here we are addressing a crucial question. Are you getting enough clients for your business? If not, let's explore what to do about it. So the first reason could be a lack of referrals. So ask yourself how many new client referrals you have gotten in recent months. Other businesses, individuals, and yes, even other organizers should be sending business your way. If this is not happening, it is time to step up your face-to-face networking. Start conversations about your ideal client and how you can help them transform their homes. Building relationships with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities and client leads. Next, I would make sure that your business is visible online. If you're not visible online, you're missing out on potential clients because they may be looking for an organizer in your area but can't find you, and we don't want that. To increase your online presence, create valuable and engaging social media and ensure that your website or a lead generating website where you are listed pops up in the search, find an organizer near me. The more eyes on your content, the higher chances of converting new viewers into clients. So start sharing your knowledge and showcasing your organizing skills online. The third reason is you're just not getting enough repeat business. Repeat clients and their referrals can be the lifeblood of your business. If you find yourself working 1 or 2 sessions with someone and never hearing from them again, it's time to take a look at your client process. Ensure you are assisting your clients through a comprehensive home organizing plan and check in with them if they haven't booked in a while to see how you can support them. Maintaining strong relationships with your clients and following up with them can lead to more business and more referrals. If you're struggling with setting up an effective client process, check out my course Selling Organization for tutorial videos on creating a client process that sells itself. It's time to take control of your lead generating strategy and build a thriving organizing business. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these areas do you struggle with the most in your organizing business? Is it getting referrals, maintaining online presence, or securing repeat business? Drop your answers or questions in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm putting a link up here to last week's video, which asked the question, do you need to market your organizing services on Instagram? Please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.